Hey guys, it's Gamer Girl 4849 and today I'm going to be making a massive bubble out of slime. And you have 10 seconds to comment down below what colour you think this slime is. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you guess blue, you are right. But it's blue. And we're going to be making a massive bubble out of just that much. So what we're going to do is flatten it out. Mom, do you have a rolling pin? Seriously? Okay, we're going to have to do it like this then. Oh, it's already reaching out so far. Please don't break. Oh, it's hanging off the edge already. Hopefully the bubble works. Okay, now I'm going to try and pick it up without it breaking. Oh. Oh no. It was massive. Let's do that again. And then I'll tilt the camera so you can see what it looks like. I got this.
Right, don't put that back in the drawer now. Shut the drawer.
Oh, mix a pattern. Okay. So I didn't blow the bubble, so I'm going to try and blow the bubble in this one. Are we going to finish off the cake tomorrow?
Yes. We'll have to let it cool before we do the butter icing.
Okay.
We're not eating it tonight, it's for Liz.
I know.
Well, for us, but for Liz, for his birthday.
His?
What?
His birthday?
Liz's. You sure these are long enough?
Yeah.
Do they go down to your ankles?
Yeah.
A bit flaring.
What does flary mean?
Sticky outing. Sticky.
Okay, now I'm gonna go like that. And then you're able to see how big this giant slime creation is. That was massive. I've got to try and blow the bubble. Got to try and blow a giant bubble. Get all the bubbles out of it now. Oh, it makes a nice pattern. Okay. I think most of you in the comments might have put blue. Because most girls like blue, but my favourite colour is actually pink and purple and green. Pink, purple and green. Plus light blue, like really light blue. Oh, already a massive bubble in it. Got that out. Because we need to blow an even bigger bubble. Oh. Is that cool? Oh, it's going. So if you like the bubble, give this video a Thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, just leave it. Don't do thumbs down. I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to try and do it a bit bigger this time, but if I can't, then I'm just going to be smaller or the same. There's just a massive bubble that flew across there. Oh, there's a massive bubble. Wait, listen to this. Listen to this. Wait. Wait, no, that. Why wouldn't it work? There we go. It's not working. So you get slime, hit it head time, and then just press down on it. And it's a fast noise. I'll put that in there. Okay, that was cool. So I want you to do 4 things. Subscribe. Number 2, like. Number 3, share. Number 4, comment down below if you've ever made slime. So I'm going to prank my brother when he comes back with this. It made a massive bubble. Make it. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, it didn't do it. It looks like a wet cloth, but it isn't. It's fine. So I guess it didn't work on that one when I was trying to show you. So I'll see you in the next video on how to make a lemon cake. Bye. Love you.